Welcome to Xtreme Machines and Engineering Inventions. We bring you the most amazing machine content that are changing the future of engineering and technology. Jack K7 Massive Machine Story. The Jack 7 shows how modern tech and thoughtful design can ease tough work designed for long-distance hauling. It's recommended for buyers across various industries, from construction to agriculture. Whatever the case, any Jack K7 driver will appreciate the engineering that went into this model. The cab is spacious enough for 2 sleeping areas, while cruise control and climate control keep the ride as comfortable as possible. There's also a cold climate package with independent heating, cab insulation, a heated fuel filter, and a radiator curtain. The 490 horsepower engine is paired with an automatic transmission, featuring a nice surprise: a hydraulic retarder mounted to the rear of the gearbox. The Jack K7 is priced at around $96,000. Peterbilt 567. The Peterbilt 567 is a highly durable, versatile heavy-duty truck designed for both vocational and long-haul operations. It is available with multiple sleeper configurations, ranging from 44 to 80, including the spacious Ultraloft option, and accommodates powerful engines, Cummins X15 or PACCAR MX13 engines, delivering 320 to 605 horsepower and up to 2,050 pound-feet of torque. The Ultraloft sleeper provides up to 8 feet of headroom, industry-leading microwave space, and accommodates a 32-inch flat-screen TV durability features, a lightweight and rugged metal hood, and a corrosion-resistant aluminum cab. Visibility: equipped with a panoramic one-piece windshield and a sloped hood for superior forward visibility. The workhorse of the Peterbilt product lineup, the Model 567 can be spec'd for virtually any application, from vocational to on-highway and regional haul configurations. With the addition of the Ultraloft sleeper, the Model 567 now offers a more spacious, integral sleeper option for customers that enjoy its traditional signature pod-mounted headlamps, durable metal hood, and stainless steel grille. Interior updates to the Model 567 are highlighted by the class-leading 15-inch digital display with a fully customizable user interface, UI, that delivers easy-to-read information and full PTO integration, so operators can fine-tune the digital display information to suit their individual preferences. Additional new driver comforts found inside, including more cabin storage, 2 permanent cup holders, and options for 12-volt or USB charging ports. The Peterbilts deliver industry-leading comfort and performance. E-Tech T engineers at Renault Trucks are steadily advancing in their mission to dominate the electric truck market. So how are they doing? Not bad at all, judging by the E-Tech compared to its predecessor. This model has extended its single charge range from 400 to 600 kilometers, and the driver's cabin's nothing short of a comfort oasis. Ergonomic seats, a thoughtfully designed climate control system, an intuitive digital dashboard. Everything is top tier, and naturally the E-Tech T runs much quieter than similar trucks, with internal combustion engines. Just silence and coziness, like riding in a luxury sedan. So would you like to sit behind the wheel of this electric powerhouse? Or do you still prefer the classic internal combustion? Massive machine never seen before. The E-Tech is also a landmark vehicle in Euro Truck Simulator 2 ETS, 2 faithfully replicated by SCS software, for gamers to experience managing and driving electric freight across Europe. Next truck, more interesting. Hendrickson Trail Axe. The Hendrickson Trail Axe is a versatile non-integrated trailer axle system designed for commercial and industrial trailers. The Hendrickson Trail Axe is a specialized, versatile, non-integrated trailer axle system manufactured by Hendrickson, a leading global provider of heavy-duty transportation components. It is primarily designed to maximize payload capacity and trailer adaptability in commercial hauling, especially for custom-configured, heavy load, and specialized transport. Unlike suspension-integrated axles, Trill Axle functions as a standalone unit, allowing it to pair with various suspension types, such as Hendrickson's HT air ride systems for maximum adaptability. Engineered for heavy-duty performance, these axles offer capacities from 20,000 pounds up to 27,000 pounds depending on configuration. Options include straight or drop center axle tubes, multiple spindle types, and drum or air disc brakes to match specific trailer requirements. Each axle features Hendrickson's patented axle filter to protect wheel end components from contamination, extending service life. Brake systems are designed with durability in mind. Music, featuring forged spiders and standard or extended service linings. Additional options like RTR, ready-to-roll wheel end assemblies, and maintenance packages help reduce downtime. Trailax's modular design supports global trailer applications, giving OEEMS and fleet operators a reliable, customizable axle solution for diverse heavy-haul transport needs. So powerful. Peterbilt 379. This Peterbilt 379 massive machine was lucky enough to undergo a full restoration. It's not just refurbished, it's been brought back to near factory condition. The engine was overhauled with new pistons, a new turbocharger was installed along with a new transmission and suspension. The cab was completely refreshed as well. The wiring was replaced, a new air conditioning system added, and plenty of custom details included. The color scheme is beautifully chosen, flowing seamlessly from the driver's and passenger seats to the rest area. It's a constant reminder that this isn't just a Peterbilt 379, but a stunning custom build the truck sold for $250,000. Would you say it was worth it? Heat, but haven't seen before that. Look impossible, let's see next. Kenworth's Super Truck 2 isn't just a concept, it's a real step forward in what heavy-duty trucks can do. Developed under the U.S. Department of Energy Super Truck 2 program, it takes the familiar T680 platform and reimagines it from the ground up for efficiency and performance. Kenworth invented the aero truck with the T600, and the trend continues to the most aerodynamic production truck yet, the T680. The Super Truck 2 was developed over a 6-year period as part of a collaboration with the Department of Energy's DOE Super Truck program, designed to challenge truck makers with improving freight efficiency using a diesel engine as the main power source. At its core is a MX-11 diesel engine that puts out 440 horsepower and works with a heavy-duty automatic transmission. What really stands out is the engine's brake thermal efficiency, 55.7%, which is well above the standard approximately 47% seen in today's trucks. The truck also runs a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This powers electric accessories like the steering, cooling system, and HVAC, and even captures energy through regenerative braking, helping the engine run cleaner and more efficiently. Aerodynamics played a big role in shaping this truck. It has enclosed wheels, a streamlined nose thanks to the engine sitting under the cab, and a wraparound windshield. Traditional side mirrors are gone, swapped out for camera systems. Smooth and closed body panels help it cut through the air, and a center driver's seat adds balance and better visibility. Weight reduction was another key focus. The team managed to shave off about 4,000 pounds from the truck itself using composite materials and redesigned chassis components. A lighter trailer brings the total weight savings to around 7,000 pounds, which directly helps fuel economy and payload. The Kenworth Super Truck 2 pushes the limits in reducing aerodynamic drag, while it also incorporates a new powertrain. But with everything Kenworth, we wanted the Super Truck 2 to embody the driver's truck. Thank you to the U.S. Department of Energy and our partners. Kenworth wants to thank the partners under this program who contributed to its success. Pavelli Modular Load Semi-Trail. The Pavelli Modular Low Semi-Trail for yacht transport is a tailor-made heavy-haul trailer produced by Italian manufacturer Pavelli SRL, designed specifically for oversized marine cargo. Semi-trailer price on request. Self-propelled modular transporter 600 horsepower, 441 kilowatts diesel. Load cap 226,800 kilograms. Suspension hydraulic. Built to meet individual transport needs, these low beds provide flexibility for carrying yachts, boats, and related equipment safely over long distances. Key features include a detachable variable height gooseneck, hydraulic or air suspension, and hydraulic steering with remote control operation, ensuring stable handling and low loading height for delicate hulls features. Like a detachable neck with variable height, hydraulic platforms, and ramps allow for optimal ground clearance and easy loading specialized multi-module setups, sometimes exceeding 36 meters in total length, designed to safely transport large yachts and boats. Each trailer is custom configured based on yacht size, deck length, axle count, payload capacity, and route requirements, allowing compliance with road and port regulations while maximizing safety and efficiency. Pavelli's modular low beds demonstrate a commitment to precision engineering, combining robust construction with specialized features that protect high V-value marine cargo. With their adaptable design and Italian craftsmanship, these trailers offer a reliable, safe, and highly efficient solution for professional yacht transport, meeting the exacting standards of modern heavy-haul operations. Peterbilt 579. Sleeper, forget everything you thought you knew about boring transportation. Today, you're in for a roaring ride through the world of the most incredible trucks you could possibly imagine. Get ready to meet the true kings of the road. From brutal custom-built beasts to sleek tractor trailers with futuristic designs. Be amazed, get inspired, and pick your favorite reliable carriers. Specializes in luxury transport. Their cargo is insured for up to $5 million. Let's take a look inside the truck cab of one of their drivers. David Rogers. He focuses on delivering high-end vehicles and does so in absolute comfort. It may come as a surprise, but one of David's favorite features is actually the curtains when drawn. They transform the cab into what feels like a compact loft, especially since the rear part of the cab genuinely resembles a small apartment, and a very clean one. 2. You have to take off your shoes before stepping inside. It's got all the essentials. Furniture, appliances ranging from a microwave to a TV, and even a tiny kitchen. And yes, there's a shower. Finally, let's not forget the special trailer capable of carrying up to 7 cars. That amazing invention, top of the best ever built. Peterbilt 389. Legend of the Highway. The Peterbilt 389 is a favorite among fans of American trucking. And when one gets customized, you can expect something special. The Model 389 was the embodiment of Peterbilt's pride and elegance. The long, low hood, the longest ever on a Peterbilt truck. Distinctive wraparound crown, large triple-bar grille with rectangular mesh, classic headlight pods, huge chrome air cleaners with dual straps, large West Coast-style mirrors, and those towering chrome exhaust stacks. Inside, there was rich luxury, comfort, and wonderfully open sightlines through the wide windshield. This particular build stays true to its roots, while adding just enough edge to stand out. It was made to order as a one-off, but the team behind it is open to building more for anyone who wants a truck that looks and feels like this. At its core, the 389 runs on a 565 horsepower Cummins engine paired with an 18-speed transmission, giving it both brute strength and flexibility out on the road. It rides on polished Alcoa wheels wrapped in Bridgestone tires, bringing both performance and polish to the table. The interior leans dark. Leather seats, rich paneling, and a full set of gauges and switches give it a cockpit feel. 16 gauges line the dash, offering at a glance updates on every system. Add to that 26 switches for total control, and the driver has everything they need right at their fingertips. It's not just about power and tech, though. Comfort matters too. The cab is built to be lived in, not just driven. The navigation system is smart and modern, with all the extras that today's drivers rely on. The seating is comfortable enough for long stretches, and the design keeps everything within easy reach. Outside, the styling has a classic look, clean, powerful lines, and a bold stance that make it recognizable even from a distance. It feels traditional. The latest heir to Peterbilt's iconic, long-hooded, classically chromed style was revealed, the Peterbilt Model 589. This stunning new truck proudly carries the Model 389 aesthetic into a new era of advanced technology, performance, efficiency, and luxury. For classic truck connoisseurs, the Peterbilt legacy is indeed alive and well. Scania R530. The Swedish town of Ramsele saw this striking Scania. It took part in the Power Truck Show and brought home 2 awards, 2nd place in the wood chip trucks category, and 3rd in Best Interior. Let's just take a moment to appreciate its exceptional design. The Scania R58. O manages to do both, and it does it with a look that could have come straight out of a comic book. This particular red and white build, captured at a show in Ramsele, Sweden, is a head-turner. But it's not all about appearances. Underneath the striking paint and polished chrome is a machine built to move with purpose. The engine produces 580 horsepower, giving it the strength to handle long hauls with ease. It's built on the kind of solid engineering that Scania is known for, power with control, and the kind of reliability that makes drivers feel confident in any condition. But the magic really starts when the custom work comes in. On the outside, the plain factory paint has been replaced by an eye-catching design with bold flames licking across the panels. It's not overdone, it's expressive, and it instantly separates this truck from the crowd. Inside, it's a whole different vibe. Gone is the typical gray plastic. In its place, cushions, curtains, and thoughtful finishing touches that turn the cab into a welcoming, lived-in space. The sound system is tuned for real enjoyment, whether you're listening to music at rest or just trying to stay alert on the road. and the whole layout shows care and pride from whoever built it. This isn't just a vehicle, it's someone's vision brought to life. What a great invention let's go to next. And never miss this unbelievable truck ever seen and forget. Subscribe my channel, many more unbelievable inventions. The Freightliner Cascadia. The Freightliner Cascadia mirror cam system represents a major step forward in truck visibility technology on the 5th generation Freightliner Cascadia. Fuel efficiency and aerodynamics. The latest generation boasts advanced aerodynamic components like the Max Aero Bumper, full wheel enclosures, and streamlined hood styling, resulting in significant fuel economy improvements over past iterations. Designed to work seamlessly with Freightliner's advanced safety systems, Mirror Cam supports features that help monitor nearby vehicles and improve overall situational awareness. The camera housings are engineered for durability and clarity in challenging weather, maintaining visibility day or night. Their aerodynamic placement also reduces drag compared to bulky mirrors, contributing to smoother driving and potential efficiency gains by improving visibility, reducing driver fatigue, and modernizing the cab environment. The Cascadia Mirror Cam system highlights how digital camera technology is reshaping safety and comfort in long-haul trucking. Price: new 2026 tandem axle sleeper models typically list around $188,000, while well-maintained used models range between $90,000 and $110,000 depending on mileage. Twister Custom Builders. Twister spent decades hauling livestock. Then it was reborn as a custom showstopper, whose charisma shines even through the screen. It features cowboy-inspired details, such as leather straps, wood trim, and even vintage-style headlights inside the cab. There's a horned skull straight out of a saloon. The upholstery is made from 5 cowhides, and check out how cleverly the sleeping area is separated. The tent-style divider looks like something out of a campsite. The only part that doesn't quite match the rustic vibe is the stereo system, but no saloon of the Wild West could dream of this kind of sound quality. A massive restoration and customization project was completed in just 3 weeks by Arnold, successfully transforming the truck from a yellow primered working rig into a masterpiece that turns heads at shows like the Mid-America Trucking Show. The truck features an extended hood, custom deck plates, stainless steel drop panels, stretched frame rails, and polished chrome throughout never seen before. Thor 2471. The Thor 24 looks more like a palace on wheels than a truck. Still, it whizzes down roads and always turns heads. Do you know how much it sold for at an auction in Saudi Arabia? $13.2 million. Crazy, right? And that's before we even mention the power of the Thor 24 dual Detroit Diesel 5 2471 engines, fitted with 12 superchargers and 8 nitrous oxide bottles. This beast reaches 3,974 horsepower. It blazes down highways at over 200 kilometers per hour. Stopping it requires 4 parachute brakes, and if your hands are shaking after such a wild ride, you can relax in the back of the cab, which includes a lounge area with a 40-inch TV, includes a 1,000-pound intake manifold, a helicopter auxiliary engine to power 7 movie screens, and a broadsword transmission shifter. For an up-close cinematic tour showcasing the immense scale, interior, and startup of this world. Record truck built over 7 years by Mike Hora Thor. Motor Coach manufactures a variety of recreational vehicles, with C2471 being a specific floor plan for some of their Class C models, like the Mandalay line. One of the insane invention in the world, truly unbelievable and impossible engineering. Peterbilt 589. The Peterbilt Model 589 is a premium Class 8 work truck, introduced as the legendary successor to the iconic model engine options Packer MX-13 or Cummins X-15. Blending classic long hood styling with modern 2.1-meter cab, comfort and advanced technology. Sleeper options. Day cab. Up to an 80-inch high roof sleeper, it is highly sought after for on-highway hauling and vocational applications. The Peterbilt 589 to home starts out as a powerhouse on wheels, and then it goes further. Front axle, 12,000 to 22,800 pounds. At its core, this truck houses an engine capable of delivering up to 605 horsepower. The company claims the model offers some of the smoothest and quietest rides in the business, with minimal vibration even under pressure. That alone would impress most people, but for some, it's just the starting point. What really makes the 589 Tower Home stand out is what's inside. It's been transformed into something that feels less like a truck and more like a high-end suite on wheels. From the moment you step inside, the details take over. You'll find soft seating, sleek finishes, and every comfort you'd hope for after a long day behind the wheel. There's a refrigerator, an induction stove, and a large 50-inch television. Starlink internet ensures you're always connected, even in the middle of nowhere. The sleeping setup gives options: a cozy bed or sofas that welcome you after hours of driving. The climate is managed by a quiet, efficient air conditioning system keeping the cabin comfortable day or night. And the bathroom, it's more like something you'd find in a luxury hotel. Ambient lighting makes nighttime routines easier and more relaxing, while the space itself is designed to feel open and clean. Every inch feels carefully considered. Pricing generally ranges from $220,000 to $250,000, plus USD. Depending on the specific sleeper size, engine choice, and trim, you can explore available inventory and find local purchasing options. But what a massive trucking!
Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, give us a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. Catch you in the next video. Thanks everyone for everything.